Our boys back at it. Today we gotta get the math hat ready for a parade tomorrow. So in this condition right now, it's still very rough. I had issues with the paint bubbling up. I don't know why, maybe because of the extreme weather conditions around here, whether it's too cold or too hot. But I would get these little bubbles that come up, right? I would have to sand them off and then fill them with filler. So I still get them every now and then, but I got most of them out, as you can tell. And for some reason, they only happen towards the front of the hat. This hat is actually going to be in a Chinese New Year parade that's happening tomorrow. So we gotta get cracking on this. All right, let's go. Math hat, we're going to fix it up. We're gonna make it look nice and neat. So it's gonna be a good time. Let's go ahead and get cracking because my goodness, if we don't start now, when are we gonna start? Let's go. So here's the hat, and we have the layer of filler on it, and then we also sanded it down. We feathered the edges, try to get as nice and smooth as possible. And then we have it washed, and we're just waiting for it to dry. After it's done drying, we're gonna start painting it. Put that victory blue color on it. Yes, indeed. So all that's left to do is just wait for it to dry, and then we can paint it. But it'd be stupid for us to wait for it to air dry by itself. So let's go hook up the fan and let's give it a little bit of a boost. Time to test your aerodynamics. Alrighty folks, we have our can of Victory Blue, and still got a lot. There's about a quarter in there. Now that the hat is dry, we can go ahead and start painting. We are now done painting the hat. We have a fresh coat of Victory Blue, and we have fresh coat of white on the lettering, as well as the back, and everything looks good. And now all that's left to do is take it to the parade. Let's go ahead and head out. Oh yeah, it's looking good. It's looking real good. That's beautiful. Look at it. Let's go ahead and head out. Alright, we're done with the parade. Everybody's gone, and we're gonna take it back home. Thanks for watching. I hope you guys enjoyed it, and let's get out of here.